Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my second video. In case if you missed the first video, my name is Suresh. I'm a HR consultant with HR to Easy with 27 years of experience in the industry. In today's video, let me share with you how do we professionally handle latecomers to office as a HR manager. The first thing what we need to do is to call the staff and give him a verbal reminder, and we need to explain to him how important punctuality is in the office. If it happens again, then step 2, give him a written reminder. He or she must understand the seriousness of this matter. Your staff still comes in late, then step 3, issue him a show cause letter. The purpose of the show cause letter is for him or her to explain why they have been coming late frequently. If their explanation is acceptable, then give them a second written reminder. If the reply is unsatisfactory, then step 4, it is time for you to issue the first written warning. Still coming late to work after first warning letter? Then step 5, issue them with second warning letter. If it happens again, then it is time for the company to conduct a domestic inquiry against the staff. Based on the outcome of the inquiry, if they are found to be guilty, then the company can either demote them or, if it warrants, to dismiss them. The intention is not to punish staff, but to make them understand the importance of punctuality in any company. Dear employees, please remember all this exercise will be recorded in your personal file. During your appraisal time, this is going to affect your future career. So why not change? From tomorrow onwards, you come in at sharp 9 and surprise your bosses. So please remember guys, your punctual attendance to the office is a very serious matter. Okay then, that's all for today. I see you on my next video. Bye bye, take care.